Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a video, how to record a video on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. You can see my camera is currently on, and to record a video make sure that video mode is selected. You can click on the center of the bottom edge here to switch between video, photo, video lap, slow motion, photo lapse, burst mode, as well as video plus photo or car mode. I'm gonna switch to video, then just click on the capture button at the top, and now the recording has been started. If it didn't start, then most probably you don't have an SD card inserted. If you don't know how to insert an SD card, feel free to watch a video on our channel. And to stop recording a video, simply click on the capture button again. Now the video is taken. If you want to view it, click on this button in bottom left corner, which playbacks all the recordings. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.